Hello everyone, good morning or good afternoon, good evening, depending on what country you're listening in from. Once again, my name is Felix Steven and I'm the founder of Zion Intelligence. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've gone through the introductory training of our Web Design Masterclass and also because you're a member of the Expand Africa VIP community. In case you're watching this video and you haven't joined, I'd like you to give us a buzz. You can call us on +234-8100-65654 so you can be added to the community. We do a lot of free trainings on the community that will help you to build your business and ultimately grow yourself in life, right? So in this practical session of the Web Design Masterclass, I'm going to be teaching you how to design websites on your mobile phone. The last night I said the training was for us to have an account on Hugohost, one of the best hosting companies you have right now. And for that, let's go to bit.ly/Hugohost1. Now we're using this shortened link between things are affiliate links to the site. All right. Now, when you sign up on the platform through our affiliate link, you actually get a discount on your hosting package that you choose. So I recommend that you sign up through our affiliate link. Apart from the fact that we also get a reward from it, you get a huge discount on whatever package you choose. All right, so the site is opening now. The first thing you'll notice is this area here where my mouse is pointing at. You can see my mouse. Yeah, so you need to click that area. That's where you have the client area, like your personal area. Okay, that shows you what your account reads at. So when it opens, you will need to create an account if you haven't created an account. Now I'm starting everything from scratch. All right, so for those of you that have not been able to do it, please follow through. Okay, so here it shows that I've logged in on an account before, so I'm going to log out and start all over again. I'm going to log out and start all over again. I'm going to create a new account because this is a practical class. I'm going to create a new account. By the way, I need to mention you have to be paying with your card. If you've done an online transaction, now is the time for you to start. All right, you cannot be a web designer without being comfortable paying for things online. In fact, that's the number one law for making money online. Get comfortable with paying for things online. So if you don't have a credit card or a debit card, I encourage you to get one. You need it for this practical session because you're going to buy what you're paying for online. All right, so now I need to sign up. So I just put in my information. If you're following me step by step, you'll see the same thing. So because I'm using Google Chrome, I already have it pre-stored. All right, I save my details already, so I don't have to keep typing all over again. But if you don't have it, you have to type it. All right, put in my name. So I put in my name, my surname. Now they'll ask for your email address. Your email address should be one that you easily access every time, all right, because that's where they're going to send you your login details and all of that. All right, now you don't really need to fill in this because it's not needed, except if you're working for a company and they need to hand over their registration details when you're done. All right, but you don't really need it. Okay, but if you have a, why I'm saying you don't really need it, because you also don't have to put your tax ID. But all things are optional, so let's just leave that process for now. Then you put in your address, your city, your state, your postcode. Some of us don't really know our postcode. You have to check Google for your area's postcode. All right, so you put in your postcode, your country, and then also you put in your phone number again to get SMS notifications. All right, so you put in your phone number again, +234. Then you want to receive SMS notifications, select yes or no. So for me, I'll select yes. You want a security pin, this is optional too, but it also helps you to encourage you to put so just put it in an example. All right, so you put in your optional security pin, and then you may have heard about this from our company. So you could just put to refer something. So you put Hugo host and it. So now in customer category, asking you what best describe you. So are you a company? Are you an individual? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a student, web designer, web developer? Yes, individual there. All right. Then you choose your currency, naira, dollar. If you're outside the country, if you're outside Nigeria, you can use dollars. If you're in Kenya, you can use Kenyan shillings or GHS. All right. So I select Nigerian naira because I'm in Nigeria. Right? At least 5 characters. So that'll be my password. I always advise symbols, numbers, and letters. All right. Registering me. So I wait for the page to load. If you're using Google Chrome to ask you, do you want to save your password? Please click save so you don't have to keep opening it up and up every time. So this is it here. I've created an account on Hugohost. All right. So the next thing we need to do, please check your email and follow the link to verify your email address. Okay, so that's important. So I go to my email address, go to my radar, and I check. For you have to check. I'm giving you a step-by-step process to get your website done. So I check to see if I've gotten an email from Hugohost. Now, just in case you don't see it on your inbox, you will have to check your spam, your spam box. All right, that's where promotions come in and all of that. Mine's loading. Let me check my spam to see if it's there. It says order a hosting package from 2 GB or more and get a .com.ng free domain. That's another good thing about Hugohost. So when you order a hosting package, you can actually get a free .com.ng domain. Remember, I said your hosting is like your land upon which you build your house, which is your website. All right, then your domain is like your address. Okay, your domain is like your address. So I advise us to go with that one. Let's buy our hosting first, but first of all, let's even confirm our email. Okay, let's confirm our email. Very important. So you click on that link to confirm your email. Now you cannot put an address where you don't have land. Okay, so the first thing you need to without a land there can be no address, so you need to buy a land first. You need to buy a hosting plan. So let's go back to that email, the email that they sent to us, and then select what they put there, hugohost.com/hosting/shared hosting. Everyone, welcome back. So and you see right now that there's no service. I've not selected. This is how your dashboard on Hugohost will look like. So the next thing you want to do is to buy your and I recommended that we buy the one of I think 7,000. So go to order new service, but just click on services around here, then select order new service. It will load up your screen for you. So Linux hosting Aspire to get by 500 naira per month. This is the cheapest that they have. When they have the one of 700 naira per month, and they have of 950 per month and all of that. Okay, so you can just, there's something I want you to notice. All this hosting comes with free SSL. That's this HTTPS you're seeing here at my top where my mouse is at my top left. That's what SSL means: security, unlimited professional email accounts and all of that. So now this should be shared host. This is Linux hosting. You click on that Linux hosting where my mouse is now, change it to shared hosting. Okay, Okay, so a quick correction, guys. This place is the same thing as shared hosting. I didn't see it on time, so I was used to going to purchase hosting straight from the main page. But this Linux hosting is the same thing as shared hosting that I want us to use. So you can go ahead and select your own plan from here and buy it from the main site. Okay, so it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So you can see this cPanel hosting is what is also called Linux hosting. Okay, so I just click on get started here. Now, a lot of you will be tempted to go with WordPress hosting. I don't really advise it because you're not going to save money that way. What this would offer you is the same thing the cPanel hosting would offer you. It's just some big grammar that is spoke here to make this amount. So I recommend you select the cPanel hosting, then click on get started. So you click on purchase your hosting. So click on pay annually, that way you save 20%. Alright. You pay annually, Aspire 5,000 naira, Premium 7,000. Depending on your budget, this should do well for you since you're just starting out your web design career path. So you could just select Premium. You can always design more websites, alright. And the good thing about this, their plans, is that you're buying one hosting account, that you're buying one plot of land, and on that plot of land you can build up to, for Aspire, their cheapest plan, you can build up to 2 houses there. So you see, add-on domains allows you to add additional websites to your hosting account. You get. Then there's a free.ng domain, .com.ng or .org.ng domain for all their annual hosting plans. You know, I selected it, there's annual choice and there's monthly. So I selected annually so I can save money, and they're telling me I can get free.com.ng or free.org.ng if I choose that. And then unlimited professional emails. So for example, if you register, our own company's website is zitc.com.ng, we can create unlimited professional emails for that. So we can create one for me, Mr. Felix at zitc.com.ng, for the admin as it said, zitc.com.ng, like that, as many as you want. Even if you have up to 1,000 staff members, you can create 1,000 professional emails for them. All right. So you just take your time to read up this and then choose the one you want. But I recommend that you go for Premium as the basic. Don't go for starter because it can only allow you to add one extra site. All right, go for Premium, which allows you to add 2 extra sites. You get. So with this your hosting account, you can add 2 additional websites to this your hosting account, and then 10 subdomains. Subdomains, like you can see here, are other domains within your main domain. So if, for example, I want to create a course section for my members on my site, I can have school.mywebsitename.com. so that school dot now will be where they will go to view the courses I have and pay for them. All right, now I'm going to send a website to us in the Expand Africa VIP community that we can go to learn more about what I'm talking about in this video. For time purposes, I'm trying to time myself here, I'm not going to do a lot of explaining, but I'm going to be sharing materials in the community. So if you're not yet in the community, do well to give us a shout out on +2348100656543, and we'll add it to the community on Telegram. All right, now if you're running a blog site or a very actively viewed platform, this would be the best for you to go for Pro. So for this example, I'm going to select Premium. All right, so I choose the Premium plan. Now the next thing after buying your plot of land is to give your plot of land an address. All right, so you search for the address. This is like searching your government directory to see if your address is available. All right, so I wanted to create one for the community, so I will just create Expand Africa. We use a double A, expandafrica.com. So Expand Africa, our own Expand Africa is with a double A. So expandafrica.com. Now, if you're registering, remember, if you're a new person, if you're in Nigeria, you can use .com.ng and it will be given to you for free, so you won't have to pay money for it. This is it here. You can use .com.ng, so you don't have to pay money for your domain name ever. But if you're looking to have a global approach, you might want to use .com, just .com. It's easier for people to pronounce and visit. All right. Now, .com.ng simply tells people that your business location is mainly Nigeria, even though you can service other people outside of Nigeria, but your business is located in Nigeria. Most businesses that are in Nigeria use .com.ng or .ng. All right. There's a video I'm going to also post on the group to explain what domain extensions mean. Okay. So do well to watch the video. So let's search for expandafrica.com. So we check for it. You see, expandafrica.com is what? Available. And it goes for 3,900. Then it also gives me other alternatives. So I can decide to choose expandafrica.ng for 9,500, expandafrica.online for 1,500. All right. Now, for some of us that want to build our personal website, I also encourage you, because it's good if you're on a career path, for people to know who you are at a glance. So I can just choose a random name. Let me say talk to Mr. Felix, for example, or Mr. Felix Steven. So you can put in your name. I advise that you also get a personal site for yourself. Then you just check for it. The same process. Let's see if mrfelixsteven.com is available. You see, it's available and it's going for just 3,900 naira per year. This is a cost that you pay once in a year. So it's a good investment for your personal brand. Then there are other alternatives. mrfelix.ng will cost me 9,500. So you just make your choice. Then when you make your choice, you press continue. You press continue here. So annually is an annual plan that I'm choosing. Okay. Now, leave all these things that are here. You don't need it. All these things are here. You don't need it. Reason being that the platform I'm going to teach you comes with it for free. Okay. So you press continue. You don't also need this one. So let's continue with mrfelix.com. Continue. It will load and then they will show you your invoice. Then you can either pay through your bank account or through your debit or credit card using their quick teller option. Okay, so this is my total due today. I'm paying for my hosting 7,000 naira per year, my domain name 3,900 per year. So all it takes for me to run my website is just approximately 11,000 naira per year, which is just about $40 maximum is how much I'm spending to run my own personally branded website. All right, so once you do that, if you have any promotion code, from time to time Google releases promo codes, you can impute that there to get a discount. All right, now again, once again, leave all these things. You don't need it. You don't need this. Then you click your bank payments, you pay through your bank. Paystack subscription. Paystack is a payment gateway that allows you to pay for things automatically, but I would prefer that you use your quick teller option, which allows you to pay with either your MasterCard or Verve card. All right, when you select that, then you click I've read and agree terms of service. All right, then you click on checkout. Click on checkout. Okay. Down. And you select your payment method, MasterCard/Verve. Remember, I said you need to be comfortable paying for things online. So once you've selected this, you click this button here. It's supposed to show pay, but just click this button here to pay. The button below it, and then you click it. And to connect it to your payment gateway, so you click accept here, then you just input your card details, and then you pay the money. All right, so I'm going to stop now. I'm not paying for this. This is a tutorial. All right, I've already paid for some names, so I'm going to go back and use our company's example to continue the video. Okay, but you just finish up this process here, pay for your domain name and hosting, and then continue watching the video. So do that now. Okay, so after making the payment, you're going to get an email from them that looks like this, where they will confirm the hosting plan you paid for, and then also give you the name of the domain that you pay for. All right, so check out for this kind of email. Then also they're also going to give you your hosting details. All right, you can see my mail here. This was done last year. All right, they're also going to give you the hosting details for that your particular account. All right, so go through those emails and record all those things that they sent to you, your login, username and passwords and all of that. All right, so write down somewhere secure, or just bookmark it like I did mine in our company's email. Okay, so after doing that, you go back to your Hugo-Host account, you log in, and then you go to My Services. Remember, you can select any of the options here to get your account. This is your account. All right, so you just go to My Services. All right, and it brings you here. So it shows you the things that are active on your account. So for us, when we registered our domain name zitc.com.ng, it started to show this active button here. So the next thing you need to do is to click on it, so that you'll be able to now load the platform called WordPress. Remember, I said in the previous section that I'm going to send a site for you to visit and learn as much as you can about the platform we're going to be using. So WordPress is a content management system that allows you to build websites with little to no code. In fact, excuse me, in fact, for this training you don't need any coding experience at all. Just follow me and I'll walk you through. Okay, so you just go through this, then scroll down and go to here, something called cPanel. All right, you don't have business with any of this, just leave them the way they are. All right, later on I'm going to come back to this place. Okay, so there's a website called wpbeginner.com, wordpressbeginner.com. That's the meaning of WP, but it's shortened, so wpbeginner.com. Visit that site now to start learning more about the platform we're using called WordPress. WordPress is a platform that allows you to build websites without coding. So what we want to do is to install WordPress on our hosting account. So to do that now, we scroll down to this cPanel here. Now remember, in your email they sent you details about your cPanel. So you go back to your email and get out those details now, because you need it to log in. All right, so you click cPanel login. You can click either here or still scroll down and then click here for it. All right, so let me click here for it, cPanel login. So it opens up my cPanel. There is nothing too confusing about this, just leave them the way they are. I'm going to send you videos to watch on how to understand everything here, but just follow through with what we're teaching. Okay, now the next thing you need to do after entering your cPanel is to install the platform called WordPress. So for you to do that, just scroll down to the section called software. Just scroll down to the section called software. Still scroll down, and then you will see preferences, advanced, and just keep scrolling down till you get to this place called Softaculous Apps Installer. So what this Softaculous Apps Installer does, it helps you to install the platform called WordPress on your website. All right, you don't have business with all these other things. These are other content management systems too that you have out there, but for the reason of these tutorials we're using WordPress. Okay, so you click on WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, this is how it's going to look like. All right, so you scroll down and click on install now. I'm on the same page with you, so you click on install now, and it will ask you these questions. Okay, so you select quick install. It will ask you, please choose the URL you want to install the software. So I select the domain name I want. For you, it's going to be showing your own domain name that you registered, remember. Then it asks you which version you want to install. Select the highest version there, that's one at the top, this one here, 5.4.1 for me. Then it asks you choose the directory. So for you to understand what all these things mean, just be clicking on the I button beside it. So now it says in this one that the directory is relative to your domain and should not exist. Okay, so what we'll do is, if you want this software to be installed on this particular directory, I advise you leave this empty. So everybody just clean this, just leave this section empty. Then you go to the admin account, admin username. I advise that you also change this, put it to a username that you want. So for example, I'll just use example. Okay, then the password, let me hide it so you guys don't see it. I advise that you use that you use numbers, letters, and symbols. Okay, then your admin email. This is the email you use to log into the site when you're done. Okay, so you can use your normal email that you use to register. So for me, that will be my normal email here, captainkc@gmail.com. Okay, now select limit login attempts loginizer, then leave classic editor, you don't need that. Leave WP Central, you don't need that. Then leave all these things, don't select anything here, just leave all this. Then install email installation details to select the email address you used when signing up. Okay, then you click install. And that's it, as simple as that. Look at the congratulations message we got. WordPress has been successfully installed at fiocchi.zitc.com.ng. Then this is our administrative URL. So enter you want to log into this site. For us to change anything, it will is this link that we're going to use. So you and I to be showing you your own link that you'll be using. WP-admin attached to your site is the administrative URL. Okay, so the next thing you will do is to go back and then check out your site. So if we click fiocchi.com.zitc, your own link that is showing you, let's check out that. You see that there's nothing there, just a random WordPress blog. So you see your site is not looking beautiful now. That's because we've not worked on it. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to go into the admin section. So you just put WP-admin to enter your admin area. You get, that's what we're showed here. Okay, so this is your admin URL. So this is the admin area. You can see that WP-admin. So anytime you want to change anything in your site, just put your site name /WP-admin and you're inside your website. Okay, so I want you to leave all these things you're seeing here. Now a video is going to play next and it's going to show you, I'm assuming that at this point in time, if you've been following the step-by-step tutorial I've been showing, you have logged into your domain. You've logged into your hosting account, you've registered for your domain, you've paid for your hosting, and you've installed WordPress, the WordPress platform on your hosting account, and also you're in your cPanel dashboard. And right now you are at that point where it's showing your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so the next video that is going to play is going to show you how to use a very simple theme to customize any kind of websites in less than 30 minutes. 30 minutes is even too much. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and you are done. Okay, please follow everything that's going to be shown in the video. It's a practical video. Web design is practical. So I want to advise you, watch this video once, watch it twice, then follow everything we're doing practically. If you're watching this and you're not yet a part of the community, send us a message on +234 8100656543 so that we can add you to be a part of the community. Then if you have any questions arising from the video, maybe there are some steps you're missing, you're not getting it rightly, just buzz us on the community so we can walk you through it. Okay, that's the essence of you being amongst the community. Okay, so watch the next video is going to play and then follow the steps that are outlined there, and with that you'll be on your way to designing your own site as easy as ABC.
Hi guys, I'm Shubhang from websitelearners.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly make a website in just 10 minutes. Now after watching this video, you'll be able to make any kind of website just like this by using drag and drop. So don't miss this video out and watch it till the end to learn how to do it. Okay, so this is a WordPress dashboard. Now from here you'll be able to control your website. Now if you want to access this WordPress dashboard again, you can just simply go to your website address and type /login. Okay, so once you reach your dashboard, this means your website is live. So to check that, let's go to our website address and press enter. Now as you can see, our website is live. So this is how the default site looks like. So next, in order to easily edit our website, we're going to install a new theme. So the new theme is called Astra. So to install the theme, let's go here and click Themes. Now click Add New and search for Astra. So we're going to install this theme. Just click Install and click Activate. Okay, so the theme is activated. Next, we're going to install a plugin which comes with this theme. So by installing the plugin, we'll be able to easily customize our theme. So to install that plugin, let's go to Plugins and then click Add New. Now search for a plugin called Astra and then install this plugin. So we'll click Install and then click Activate. So the Astra Sites plugin is now installed. Now this plugin has a set of designs for your website which you can choose and then apply it to your site. So to see those designs, let's click See Library. So these are the designs. Now before you choose a design, just click Elementor. This will make it easier for you to edit the design. So click Elementor. And now you can choose any design you like. So I'm going to choose this design. And you can see how the site will look like. If you want to apply this design to your site, just click Install Plugins and then click Import this site. Now the design and the demo content will be imported into your site. Once it's done, we can now see the site. So let's click View Site. Okay, so as you can see, the demo has been imported into our website and this is how it looks. And you can also see these other pages which also has a demo content. So once you've got the design into your site, you can now go to the final step, which is to edit the content. So to edit any page of your site, you just have to go into that page and click Edit with Elementor. So let's say you want to edit the home page. You just simply click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. And now you'll go into this editing section. So let's say you want to change the text here. You just select that text and then start typing anything you want. So I'm going to type, "Hi, welcome to my website." And now if you want to change the text on this button, you just click here and change the text on this button here. So the same way you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing. So this works out throughout the website. Now if you want to change this image, you just click it, select the image here and drag and drop your image. So once you're done with the changes, you can simply save the page by clicking Save. And all your changes will be saved. Now you can view the page by clicking here and then clicking View Page. So you can see that all the changes are here. Okay, so now you know how you can edit any page of your site. Next, we're going to see how you can change the header or the footer area of your website. Now, by using Elementor, you'll be able to change this part of your website. But if you want to change this area, which is the header, you can do that by going into the Customize option. So let's go to Customize. And now you can see that there are some blue icons. Now, if you want to change the logo, you just click this blue icon and you can change the logo here. Now, the same way you can change the menu section by clicking these icons. So everything can be edited by using these blue icons. And this will be same in the footer area also. So let's say if you want to change this text, you just click this blue icon and start typing anything you want. Once you're done with the changes, just click Publish and they'll be published on your site. So now let's close this and let's go back to our site. Okay, so we saw how to edit the header and the footer area. Now, what if you want to add a new page? It's very simple. All you need to do is you need to go into this new and click Page. Now, let's say you want to create a service page for a website. You need to first enter a title. And now to start creating a page, just click Edit with Elementor. So now it will take you to this blank section. And now you have two options to create your page. First, you can either use these elements which are over here and then drag and drop them into this area. So for example, if you want to add a heading, you can drag and drop this element here and then enter your text. And to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop here and start creating your page. Now the other way to create your page is by using templates. Now templates are ready-made pages which you can import into your site. So let's click Add Template. And you'll find a lot of designs here. Now if you want to use any design, simply click it. See how it looks like. And if you like it, just click Insert to get it into your page. And now you can see that we have got the design into our page. Now again, like we did before, you can change anything on this page just by selecting it and typing anything you want. This is how it works. Once you're done with the changes, click Save and View Page. That is it, guys. This is how you can add new pages to your site. So now you know how you can launch your site by getting domain and hosting, import the demo content, and then edit it to make your own website.
Okay, so guys, that's the end of the web design training. Please watch the video over and over again till you're able to launch your first website. We'll be here at the community waiting for you to show us your site and also for us to give you your feedback that is needed for you to make it better. Okay, just in case you haven't joined the community, please call the number showing on your screen and then we'll add you to it. Congratulations on launching your first website and the beginning of your web design career. Now in the community, we're going to be showing you how to sell this skill that you just learned now, how to source for clients, and also how to price your services. So after you're done designing your website, come back to the community so you can learn how to sell the skill of web design and also how to price your services as a business owner. Cheers and congratulations to you.